So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make your first letter capital in your Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your software in your computer, and after that you guys will need to open a file. You can open a file by just selecting this button right here which says create new, or you can choose one of these shortcuts right here. So if you guys go with this button right here, you guys will get on this window. Now select one of these options that says saved print web. All of these are the template types that you can choose one of them. And after selecting a particular one, you guys will need to select this create button which is available into your bottom right corner. And now if you select this button, you guys will get here. So now what you have to do is select this type tool right here and right click on it and just confirm it that you have selected the right tool. After selecting the type tool, you guys will need to create that type box and right click in this box and select this option right here. Now you can see that the text has now appeared. Now you just need to select these three dot buttons right here which is under this section of paragraph. Now select these three buttons and scroll down, and you can see this option right here which says drop cap number of lines. And if you increase the size of it, you can see the first letter right here has increased its size by the capital. And there is another way to do it guys, and that is, let me just show you. You just need to wait a second guys, let me just increase this text size. Now you just need to select the first letter like that. You can increase its size, text size, by just typing any point. Like you want to increase its text size by 60, then you can see you can do it just like that also. So these are the two methods that you can use to make your first letter capital. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.